Hi guys, welcome back. Apple's next iPhones, the iPhone 16 series, is due later this year in September, if rumors are to be believed. The rumor mill is already in full swing, revealing details about the upcoming iPhones. Now, a leaked image of dummy units of the upcoming iPhone 16 models gives us an early look at the new models coming in later this year, revealing major design changes. Bigger screens for the iPhone 16 Pro models. The image shared by tipster Sony Dixon in a post on X, formerly Twitter, shows that the Pro models will get much larger screens. According to the image, the iPhone 16 Pro will increase to a 6.3-inch display from 6.1 inches currently. The 16 Pro Max goes even bigger with a massive 6.9-inch screen, up from 6.7 inches on the current Pro Max.
The regular iPhone 16 has a 6.1-inch display, while the 16 Plus has a 6.7-inch display. All four iPhone 16 models could have slimmer bezels around the screen. New camera design for iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus. Based on the leaked images, the camera systems also appear to have been redesigned. Both the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus seem to have a vertically stacked triple camera array, which is different from the diagonal camera layout on current models. This new design may allow for new video recording features like 3D or spatial video. As for the Pro iPhones, they maintain the protruding triple camera bump, but with minor tweaks. But the higher-end phones should get new camera sensors and technologies to improve image quality over previous models. Other design changes in iPhone 16 models. The action button, which replaced the mute switch on the Pro models, is rumored to be tricked down to vanilla models. So the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus would also ditch the mute switch in favor of the action button, which can be customized for different tasks using shortcuts. Another rumored addition is a new capture button that could work like a physical shutter button on cameras. This mechanical button with touch capabilities aims to make it easier to take photos by providing a dedicated capture control. Rumors have it that the iPhone 16 models could come in new colors, with more saturated shades in the store for vanilla iPhone 16 variants. That's all. Guys, hope you like this video. If you like it, see you next video. Goodbye.